Welcome back everyone. In this video we are going to calculate the factorial of a number using stream approach. So let's start. First I would create a function. I would say calculate factorial. It takes a parameter, the number, and number. Now what I will do, I will call the long string dot range closed and take the initial starting value as 1 and then the number. Now what I will do, I will call the reduce and I will say the initial value as 1 and then I will say that take the initial value and the number and do the task of multiplication. So okay, now I'm going to assign it a variable. Let's say fact, and what I will do, I will just simply print the value fact. Now I will call this function calculate factorial. I will pass the value as 5. Now let's see. So 5 factorial is 120, so it's correctly working. Let's increase the number 10. Okay, let's increase more 20. Still it's working. Let's see where it's break. 30. Okay, now it's break. So long can hold a limit, a specific value if it is within the range of long. If it is out of the range, then it can't hold. So what we can do for this case, if we need a very weak factorial, so I would say I would use a big integer class. So first I would call the int string dot range close. I would start from 1 to number, take the number one by one, call the map to object. Inside the map to object I would pass the function as to cast in the big integer. So that's a big integer dot call the function reference and value of I, and then I would call the reduce. Initial value is big integer 1, big integer dot 1 comma and then big integer function reference and multiply. Now I would assign to and assign it in a new local variable big integer factorial. And now if I print, you can see it's printed correctly. So it doesn't matter how many time we can increase the factorial, it can hold a large value. So that's why big integer comes into picture and it can hold a big number. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.